So children, we are discussing stars and night sky and solar system. Night sky and solar system. 8th class. So children, before starting this lesson, let's discuss some important terms, children. First, what is meant by astronomy? What is meant by astronomy, Pravalika? Do you have any idea? Okay, astronomy is the study of universe. Astronomy is the study of universe, stars, planets, galaxies, everything. Astronomy is the study of universe. Galaxy. What is meant by galaxy, children? What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars, and the solar systems will be present within it. What is galaxy? It is collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars. Okay, billions of stars and solar systems also within it. Solar systems. Okay, we all belong to Milky Way galaxy. You all know that. Okay, next one, light year. What is light year? Pravalika, do you have idea about light year? What is light year? It is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, it is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, suppose if I ask what is the distance between Telangana and Bangalore, you will say 600 kilometers. If you say what is the distance between Telangana and Madras, you will say something. You will say Telangana and Vijayawada, you will say some 400-500, some Vizag 900, something you will say. In the same way, what is the distance between Earth and other stars means you can't say kilometers, children. You have to say in the form of light year. What is light year? It is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. The light years, 10 light years, 20 light years, 30 light years, 100 light years, 1000 light years. The distances between the planetary objects are measured in light years. Okay, distances of planetary objects are measured in light years. Constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars is called constellation. Group of stars. Okay, we have Orion constellation, Big Bear constellation, Scorpio constellation, different kinds of constellations are there. Okay, we will study in detail. Next, what are orbits? What are orbits? Orbit is elliptical shaped path in which planets move around the sun. If you imagine this is our sun, okay, all the planets will be moving in different orbits. Okay, the path in which the planets are moving around the sun is called orbit. Okay, what is an orbit? The path in which planets move around the sun. The path in which planets move around the sun. The path in which planets move around the sun is called orbit. Okay, next one. Revolution. What is meant by revolution? There is a lot of difference between revolution, children. Spinning like this among yourself, standing at same position is called revolution, and going around something is called rotation. Okay, time taken by planet to complete one orbit around the sun. Revolution. Okay, so sorry, I told reverse thing. Revolution is going around the sun. The Earth is going around the sun. Time taken. Okay, time taken by Earth. Time taken by Earth to complete one orbit around the sun. One orbit around the sun. Whereas rotation is around its own axis, means standing at same position. See, children, Earth also rotates and also do revolution. Earth also rotates and also do revolution. Rotates and also do revolution. Rotates means around its own axis. Rotation means around the sun. Rotation means around its own axis. Revolution means around the sun. Okay, rotation means spinning movement around its own axis. Spinning movement around its own axis. Due to rotation, day and nights are caused. Due to rotation, day and nights are caused. Due to revolution, seasons are caused. Due to revolution, seasons are caused. Due to rotation, day and nights are caused. Due to revolution, seasons are caused. Next one is an asteroid. What is an asteroid? You should know all these terms when I'm discussing the lesson. What is an asteroid? Asteroid is a small planet found between the different planets. There are small planets. There are the small planets found between different planets. Original planets are very big, children. They are the small objects, small planet-like things which are found in between the big planets, which are especially in Mars and Jupiter. You will see, so in between Mars and Jupiter. Meteors. What is meteor? Okay, meteor is a bright lights in the sky seen as a shooting stars. Okay, they are bright lights in the sky. They are bright lights in the sky seen as shooting stars. They are bright lights in the sky seen as shooting stars. Next, comet. What is a comet? What is a comet? Comet is a smaller heavenly body that revolves around the sun. Okay, what are comets? Small heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Small heavenly bodies. Okay, so they are called comets, children. Satellites. What do you mean by satellites? Satellites are of two types, children. Natural satellites are there, artificial satellites there. What, Pravalika, what is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. And artificial satellites we launch, children, any celestial body that revolves around the planet. Satellites normally revolve around the planets. Comets revolve around the sun. Satellites revolve around the planets. Meteors are the bright lights within the form of shooting stars. Asteroids are the small planets found in between big planets. Rotation is around its own axis. Rotation is around its own axis. Revolution is around something. Orbits is the path in which planets are rotating. Constellation is group of stars. Light year is distance traveled by light in 1 year. Light year is distance traveled by light in 1 year. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, billions of stars in solar systems. Astronomy, study of the universe, is called astronomy. These are some of the important terms associated with the night sky and solar system. Apart from this, some more important points are there. Now, so before the discussion starts, remember, children, all planets, okay, all planets, stars, moons, asteroids, meteors, comets, all this together will make up the universe. All planetary objects will make up the universe. You have to remember, these all things will make up the universe. Next, the solar system contains not only stars and planets. Remember, children, solar systems not only contains stars and planets. Okay, they also contains heavenly bodies such as asteroids, comets, meteors. I told you, meteors are the shooting stars, comets are the things revolving around the sun, and asteroids are the small planets which are present in between the planets, and satellites are the things which are revolving around the planets. I told you. So the solar system not only consists of stars and planets, it consists of asteroids, comets, meteors, satellites, etc., etc. Okay, there are 8 planets, children. Pluto we are not discussing nowadays. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, there are 8 planets are there: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 planets we have. And children, Moon has no light of its own. Remember, children, Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. It don't have its own light. It don't have its own light. It reflects the sun's light onto the Earth, children. It reflects sun's light onto the Earth. It takes 29 days for the moons to plate all the 8 phases. Around the Earth, the moon will be rotating. It takes 29 days for the moon to revolve around the planet, because satellites revolve around the planets. Moon will revolve around the Earth in 29 days, children. Next, satellites are of 2 types. I told you, children, natural and artificial. Okay, Moon is a natural satellite. Artificial satellites are those satellites which we launch. Artificial satellites are used for what are the purpose? Remote sensing, navigation, transmitting signals, weather forecasting, etc., etc. So many things we will do, children. Okay, artificial satellites we launch by ourselves for various purposes, children, like telecommunications. It may be remote sensing, it may be transmitting signals, weather forecasting, etc., etc. Okay, children. So this is about basic introduction, children. Just introduction. Now let me start. Let me start the lesson, children. So till now I was just only saying introduction, children. Let me tell something about the universe, children. Today in this class we will discuss about the universe and stars, children. Then we will discuss in the parts by parts we will discuss, children. Today I am going to discuss about the universe. Please note down, children. All of you please copy down. First, what is universe, children? I told you first only planets, star, moon, asteroids, meteors, comets, gases, dust, all together make up universe. Again I am discussing planets, satellites, stars, moons, asteroids, meteorites, comets, gases, dust. all of them will make the universe. Okay children, try to understand. Even the animals and plants on the earth are the part of this universe only. Even the animals, plants, microorganisms, rock, dust, water, everything is the part of the universe only children. Everything is a part of universe. Okay, so children, what is the most interesting part of the universe means, what is the most interesting part of the universe? The most interesting part of the universe is it is constantly being created and it is constantly bulging and it is constantly expanding, and sometimes it will be destroyed also children. Okay, so there are so many theories put forward in the formation of universe children. In the formation of universe there are so many theories. Among them the most profound theory was Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory. What does Big Bang theory states? That before the Big Bang theory children, everyone thought universe was infinite and ageless. But who gave Big Bang theory children? Edward Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other. Children, if you see, universe is expanding children, continuously universe is expanding. Continuously all the galaxies are moving away from each other. All the galaxies are moving away from each other. Who observed this? Hubble. Hubble said that all the galaxies are moving away. Moving away means they are slowly expanding. Moving away means they are slowly expanding. Moving away means they are slowly expanding. That is so. According to Big Bang theory, millions of years ago, huge explosion called Big Bang occurred. Millions of years ago, a huge explosion occurred children. A huge explosion occurred, okay, following which universe are formed. Since then universe has been continuously, I told you, expanding. They are going away. All the galaxies are going away. All the galaxies are going away. All the galaxies are going away, and universe is expanding. Okay, so all these things are, we'll study the branch of astronomy. What is astronomy? Astronomy is a branch of science that deals with the study of universe, and people who study astronomy are called astronomers. People who study astronomy are called astronomers. People who study astronomy is called astronomers. Okay children, so just life is known to exist only on the planet Earth, but in 1996 children, NASA found, as they thought, some fossils that could be microscopic living things are also present in the Mars. Okay children, NASA people in 1996 they found out that life is also present in the Mars. Forget about the Mars children, coming to Earth, life is present on the Earth. This is about the universe. What is universe? Universe is made up of planets, stars, meteorites, asteroids, dust and clouds, gases, comets, etc. Even animals and plants. Okay children, the universe is continually expanding. Who said? Big Bang theory. Hubble said children. Hubble told universe. What is Big Bang theory? Big Bang theory states that millions of years ago a big explosion has occurred, causing to break all the universe into pieces, and all these pieces formed into galaxies, and they are moving away from each other. And the science of branch of science which is dealing with the study of universe is called astronomy, and the people who study astronomy are called astronomers. Okay children, this is about universe introduction children. Universe introduction. Now let me say something about galaxy children. Let me say something about the galaxy. Okay, so sky at night children. If you see galaxy, what is a galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, billions of stars in the solar system. I told you. Just now I told you what is galaxy definition. I told galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, stars and solar system. Okay, galaxy is a collection of gas, dust, stars and billions of stars and solar system. Again, gas, dust, stars and solar system. Galaxy is a collection of all these things children. Okay, the force that holds galaxy together is gravitational force. Okay, see children, we are present in Milky Way galaxy. We all are present in Milky Way galaxy. Who is present in the Milky Way galaxy? Sun. Around the sun all the 8 planets are revolving. Sun is holding all these 8 planets in this pattern because of the gravitational pull. Sun is holding them. If sun is not holding them, all the planets would have fly away in the universe children. Okay, who is holding them? Sun is holding them with gravitational force. Sun is holding them, all the planets with gravitation. Okay, one of them is Milky Way galaxy. We are staying in Milky Way galaxy, which consists of what? Sun and all 8 planets. Sun and all 8 planets. Some galaxies are spiral in shape children, like our Milky Way galaxy is spiral in shape. our Milky Way galaxies, whereas some may be elliptical, some may be irregular, different shapes are there, but Milky Way galaxy is spiral, in middle sun, and around that 9 planets are there, 8 planets are there. Now let's discuss something about the stars, children. Let's discuss something about stars. Slowly I'm saying, see here, see children, they are the building blocks of galaxy. What are stars? They are building blocks of galaxy. Galaxy is made up of stars of children. They are building blocks of galaxy. Stars are actually huge balls, children, of hot gases. Okay, and they constantly, the stars are spinning. Constantly, stars are spinning, and they have their own heat and light. If you see sun children, sun is having its own heat and light. Because of that heat only we are able to live on the earth. Without that heat, plants would have not performed photosynthesis, we would have not got energy. So stars are huge balls of hot gases. Stars are huge balls of hot gases spinning and liberating heat and light of their own. Okay children? Now sun are born as clouds of dust. If you see, every star will have, children, every star will have birth, life and death. Every star will have life, children. Birth will be there, life will be there, and death will be there, children. Okay, so originally they are born as cloud of dust. Okay children, and so many gases are also present, especially hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen combines to form helium. That process is called fusion. Because of this fusion only a lot of heat energy is liberated and stars have their own light. Okay, that you will study in higher classes. Sun is a medium-sized star, children. Even though Sun is present in our galaxy, it is a medium-sized star. Sun is a star. Remember, Sun is a star. Okay, children. Sun is a medium-sized star, children. Okay, some stars are bigger than Sun and some stars are very smaller than Sun. The bigger a star, the shorter is its life. If big is the star, it is going to die very soon. Big is the star, it is going to die very soon. Still, Sun is closer to Earth, hence it appears bigger. Actually, there are so many stars, children. How many stars are there? 10 to the power of 12 galaxies are there. In each galaxy, 10 to the power of 11 galaxies are there. In each galaxy, 10 to the power of 11 stars are there. Totally 10 to the power of 22 stars are there, children, in our universe. Okay, Sun is nearest to the Earth. That's why it appears bigger. All stars are bigger only, which we see in the form of dots in the night sky. They are all also bigger, but they are not in our Milky Way galaxy. Because Sun is in our Milky Way galaxy, it appears bigger. It is giving light to our galaxy, and we are able to enjoy it. Okay, so children, next, the stars that are seen in the night sky are far away from us, and that is why they appear tiny. Okay, the stars which we see in the night sky are very tiny because they are very, very, very far. How we will calculate the distance? I told you just now, in light years. What is a light year? Distance traveled by light in 1 year. What is light year? Distance traveled by light in 1 year. What is light year? Distance traveled by light in 1 year. In 1 year, children, light will travel approximately 9.46 into 10 to the power of 18 meters. Sorry, 15 meters. In 1 year, light will travel this much meters. In 1 year, light will travel 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meters. That is 1 light year, children. Okay. The next closest star to the Earth is Alpha Centauri or Proxima Centauri. After Sun, who is the next closest star? It's Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri. Who is the closest star? Alpha Centauri. If you see Alpha Centauri, children, it is at the distance of 4.3 light years, children. It is at the distance of 4.3 light years. 4.3 light years away from us. Means this star is 4.3 light years away from us. Means what? Means if we were to receive light from this star, it would have taken about 4 years for light to reach the Earth from Alpha Centauri. Means if today Alpha Centauri is giving light, after 4 years it will reach the Earth. Okay, whereas from Sun to Earth, children, how much time it will take? Only 8 minutes. Whereas Sun to Earth, it will take only 8 minutes. Whereas Alpha Centauri, to come light here, it will take 4 years because it is at a distance of 4 light years. Alpha Centauri is at a distance of 4 light years. Means if Alpha Centauri is emitting light today, to come Earth, it will take 4 years. Whereas from Sun, it takes only 8 minutes. That's why Sun is very closest star to the Earth. Hope you are able to understand, children. Sun is very closest star to the earth. Okay, children. So this is Alpha Centauri. All the stars do not appear equally bright to us. Why? Because they are present at different distances. They are present at different distances. That's why they do not appear bright. Okay. So children, morning time we will not see stars. Why? Because they are not visible to us because of bright sunlight. We can't see stars. They are present even in the night or morning also. But because of bright sunlight, we are not able to see the stars because of bright sunlight. The stars do not go anywhere, children. It is there in the sky only. But in the night we can see because there is no light. Stars appear to move from east to west. So sun also appears to rise in the east and goes in the west. See, children, sun rises in the east. All of you know, sun rises in the east and sets in west. You all know. In the same way, all stars also same thing, children. A group of stars having recognizable pattern is called constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars having recognizable patterns. Group of stars having recognizable patterns. Group of stars having recognizable patterns is called constellation. Some constellation will be seen in the sky, children. Normal sky also outside you go and see. You will see some people named the constellations after some animals and mythological characters, children. Till now, 88 constellations have been recognized by astronomers in our occasional among them. So many are there, children. Famous constellations. First I am telling again about constellation. Constellation is group of stars having a specific shape. Group of stars having a specific recognizable pattern. Okay, children, there are so many constellations are there in our night sky, children. Some of the constellations I am saying, children. First constellation which we see, famous one, Ursa Major. Ursa Major. Next one is Ursa Minor. Next one, Orion constellation. Next one, Cassiopeia constellation. Next, Scorpio constellation. These are different constellations. Animals or any mythological characters they will put, children. Okay, so children, Ursa Major is also called as Great Bear constellation. Great Bear constellation or Big Dipper constellation. Okay, it is the third largest constellation in the sky, children. Third largest constellation in the sky. Okay, children, if you see during the sight, children, it is having 7 stars, children. It is having 7 stars. If you see all the 7 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called Great Bear constellation, children. Okay, it is a question. It is seen. It appears as if it is a question mark. In India, this constellation is called Saptarishi. In India, this constellation is called Saptarishi, with 7 rishis. Saptarishi. Okay, children. The pole star Dhruva Tara can be located with the help of this constellation, children. The pole star is present in this constellation. The pole star is in the direction of North Pole and is used as reference point for the voyagers for the navigation. When boat is going in the oceans or rivers and seas, children, they will see using pole star only. They will, because pole star is always direction of North Pole. No matter what is the position of Earth, the star does not change its position. This constellation has great mythological significance as well. Pole star is seen in this constellation only, children, because it is always pointed towards North Pole. Pole star is there here. It always points towards North Pole. Okay, Ursa Major. Next, Ursa Minor. Similar to Ursa Major, children, Ursa Minor is also made up of 7 stars only, children. Okay, it is called Little Bear. This is called Great Bear. This is called Little Bear or Little Dipper. Little Dipper. It is not easily seen in the sky, children, since it is as not rise as Ursa Major, children. The pole star is a part of this constellation also. In India, it is called Lagu Saptarshi. It is called Lagu. Lagu means small. Lagu Saptarshi. This is Saptarshi. This is Lagu Saptarshi. Orion, children, it is easily identified. This is a hunter constellation. Hunter. It looks like a hunter in the sky, children. This is a hunter constellation. Okay. It has been. We can see this better in winters, children. It consists of 7 stars, children. 7 or 8. Okay. Next, Cassiopeia. It is shaped like distorted W or M, children. This constellation is also seen during winters in the northern hemisphere. It consists of only 5 stars, children. Scorpio. Scorpio has 7 stars, children. It is resembled as scorpion. It is resembled as scorpion, somewhat like this. It represents, children, scorpion. And hemisphere, it is situated in southern hemisphere and visible during summer season. It is situated in southern hemisphere, children. Okay. This is in northern hemisphere, Cassiopeia, and this is in southern hemisphere. This is in northern hemisphere, this is in southern hemisphere. These are the different types of constellations which we are seeing, children, in the night sky. Okay, children. Now coming to the solar system. Solar system consists of what, children? Sun, solar system, sun, okay, and also we have planets, and what are the different types of planets we have, and how moon, phases of moon, what are the phases of moon, satellites, everything we'll discuss in the next class, children. So till now, for this class, this is enough, children. So this is what I discussed: Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Cassiopeia, Scorpio. Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Cassiopeia, Scorpio. You have to discuss, children. This is the brightest constellation. It consists of 7 stars. Pole star, where you can see here also, you can see here also. This is called Mahasaptarshi. This is called Lagu Saptarshi. Mahasaptarshi, Lagu Saptarshi. Orion is like a hunter. Cassiopeia is like a distorted W. Scorpio is like this, children. It is seen in southern hemisphere. It is seen in northern hemisphere. Okay, pole star is always towards North Pole, children. So when you are going in the seas and the oceans, pole star helps in voyaging, children, in the night sky. Okay, children, anyone have any doubts on this? Pravalika, are you listening?